we have given rectangle and we have to find perimeter and area of this figure. So why we have rectangle? Because the sides which are across have the same length. We have 6 feet and opposite side has 6 feet. And we have 3.4 feet. And the angles are 90 degrees. This means that these angles are 90 degrees. So because opposite sides have the same length and the angles are right, so we have rectangle. And we know that perimeter is the distance around a figure. So when we walk around the figure, we see that we have two sides which length is 6 feet and two sides which length is 3.4. So we can write we have 2 times 6 feet and we have 2 times 3.4 feet. So our perimeter is equal 2 times 6 is 12 feet and we have 2 times 3.4 is 6.8 feet. So this is equal 18.8 feet. Now we have to find the area of our rectangle. Area is equal length times width. So we have 6 feet times 3.4 feet. So this is equal 20.4 feet square feet. Area is measured in square units always, and perimeter is measured in units of length. So this is my solution.